Hi everybody, today we will discuss about arithmetic progression. Before moving towards arithmetic progression, first of all, what is sequence? An arrangement of numbers x1, x2, x3, xn according to the definite rule or set of rules is called a sequence. The various numbers occupying a sequence are called its terms. The nth term of sequence is xn and is called the general term. Here we are giving an example of sequence. Here numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7. This will be a sequence because the numbers of this sequence is written according to rule xn equals to 2n minus 1. If we put n equals to 1, then x1 is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1. If we put n equals to 2, then x2 equals to 2 into 2 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, which is 3. So this will be a sequence. Here n is natural number. Another example is 1, 4, 9, 16. This is also a sequence because here the numbers are written according to rule xn equals to n square. If n is equal to 1, then x1 equals to 1. N equals to 2, then x2 equals to 2 square, that is 4, and so on. So this is also a sequence. Here n is also natural number. Now progression. There are three types of progression. First one is arithmetic progression. Second one is geometric progression. And third one is harmonic progression. Arithmetic progression or AP. The sequence x1, x2, x3, xn is called an arithmetic progression if x2 minus x1 equals to x3 minus x2 equals to xn minus 1. It means the difference of two successive terms are always remain constant. Then such type of sequence is known as arithmetic progression. xn minus 1 is a constant, and this constant is represented by d, which is difference of successive terms. Here d is common difference of the arithmetic progression. Then AP will be a plus d, a plus 2d, because d is the common difference of the arithmetic progression. General term of an AP. The nth term of AP is xn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is first term and d is the common difference. N is natural number. Sum to n term of an AP. Sum to n term of an AP are given by Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here d is the common difference and a is the first term. If we write the value of bracket as a plus n minus 1 into d, then a is the first term, which is x1, and a plus n minus 1 d is the nth term. So Sn is equal to n by 2 x1 plus xn. Arithmetic mean of two terms. If A, capital A, and B are in AP, then capital A is known as arithmetic mean, and it is given by A equals to A plus B by 2. Inserting an arithmetic means between two terms A and B. If A1, A2, An are n arithmetic means between A and B, then arithmetic progression will be A1, A2, An, B. Since D is the common difference, and common difference in this case will be given by B minus A upon n plus 1. Small a is the first term, so A1 will be A plus D, and D is given by this equation. So if we substitute d from here to here, then a1 is equal to a plus b minus a upon n plus 1. a2 equals to a plus 2d. Now we substitute d from here to here, then a2 is equal to a plus 2 into b minus a upon n plus 1. Similarly, an is equal to a plus n into b minus a upon n plus 1. Now, if we add all the n arithmetic means, then a1 plus a2 plus an is equal to n times a plus b upon 2. This is the sum of all n arithmetic means, and this is the arithmetic mean of first and last term. So, the sum of n arithmetic mean terms between a and b will be equal to n times arithmetic mean of a and b. Here we end our session. I think you enjoyed this session. So, goodbye.